What I have here today is a 1972 Honda SL125. A little four-stroke motorcycle, pretty nice little bike. It's got low mileage on it, 1,881 miles. It has had a cosmetic restoration. The gauge faces are in very nice condition. The lights work. The controls, you can see, are in real nice condition, paint-wise and not damaged. The mirrors appear to be new. The bars aren't, but the chrome's nice. Somebody has done, again, a nice restoration on the bike. It's got new paint and decals. Tank looks like it's been creamed, so it's very clean inside. Brand new seat. Paintwork is very nice on the bike. Brand new tires, front and rear, Kenda tires. And again, working our way around the bike, the chrome is decent on the rims, not perfect. There's some pitting. The back has some pitting on it as well. The fork legs don't appear to have done anything done to them. They could stand to be polished if you wanted. The VIN tag is in nice shape. All the lights are intact. The fork ears are real nice. The headlight is not cracked. Again, I mentioned the gauges are nice. The grips look like they're pretty new, but this side here looks like it might have been dropped. The levers are new. Working our way down this side. The paintwork on the motor is very nice. Even the cylinder head. No fins or anything are broken. The side covers are in nice shape, no cracks. The hardest part on this motorcycle is the exhaust pipe. They rust out. This pipe is not rusted whatsoever. A very nice pipe. However, it's dented back here. Obviously, when it falls over, that's the first place it's going to get dented. I mentioned again on the rims, the rear rim has some pitting. You can see it all around the wheel. Tires again are new with the nubs still on them. And I think I touched base on everything. It's a nice little bike. Shifts through the gears nice. And well, that's it. All right, now we're going to take this little classic Honda for a little ride. It starts instantly on the first kick, really runs nice, and I'll show you. So anyways, gas on, key on, kick start. That's a wrap.